opened up the playpen. We took out the baby maker and opened up the playpen. Yeah. Winnie. I couldn't stand the stink in there if I wasn't in his lobby or his apartment, you know what I mean? Them guys are nasty, you know that, right? And black people don't take a bath. Oh my God. They got these, they get these what they call ringworms in their head. Oh my God. And to talk about lice. Oh my God. And the women are just as nasty. Oh God, no. I was like, who would do? Oh. They stink that bad? Oh. And their clothes are probably all just, ugh, you know? Oh my God. Yeah, I had one of them.
I'm sorry to do this to y'all guys, but this is going to be a 38-minute video of this guy fucking off and trying to start this car, the same shit. So, if you want to stick through it, understand. If you don't want to stick through it, it's 38 minutes of Beamer doing typical Beamer shit. But me and Dad have some comical reactions because he fucking fails at getting this fucking Bonneville started. His boy, he tells his boy to lock the doors on this car. It does not have a convertible top on it, and even if it did, it's convertible. You can cut right through it. Never mind the fact that even if it's a car like that, they're just shatter the window out of the door and get what they want. Anyways, you're not going to keep somebody out of your car. It's not going to happen.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I was raised, and I've always lived, just don't leave nothing valuable in your car and leave the doors unlocked. But we don't live in a high crime area where you got to worry about somebody being in your back seat and kidnapping you.
But even with that being said, the only true way you're going to stop somebody from getting in your fucking car is if you're in there with a 9mm fucking pointing out the door.
You're not going to stop them.
They want something, they're going to take it. It's just the way it is. Kind of like Barry with little girls. And 55 views in 6 hours, bro, that sucks. He can barely keep his fucking car running. Hey, Palmer, do your son's garage. Think you can fix that? Race car. Winning. Just wanting to die on me. Loading up, huh? When are you going to show us some casting numbers, Barry? Huh?
Wonder why Omega takes off you up.
Prove you have a TA 340, Barry.
I never seen nobody but a kid that would just sit and rev it into like that.
That's one. Two more to go.
I've never seen a grown-ass man want to be a victim all the time.
Yeah, I know what got me was the eclipse. That's what it was. That's what I was feeling. I was feeling the effect of the eclipse.
You're going to say gamma
I feel a
radiation.
little dizzy, but I feel better. I can't help to not feel it has something to do with the sun, because we are the people of the sun. And the Father.
I hope you're trying to be funny, Barry. But I doubt it. Probably bullshit.
I'm talking about Jesus and God, okay? Yeah.
People of the Son, Jesus.
Father and the Son. The Holy
Uh-huh.
Ghost.
The Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost are saying God is your light, dumbass. Has nothing to do with the sun itself. You're talking about the eclipse of the sun. That's what I mean. You don't even know about the Bible. I mean, not that I'm an expert, but that's what that means.
The truck fixed last night. I just moved it out of the driveway, so get it out of the way.
Or it could mean the Father, the Son, and the Father, Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
And the Holy Ghost. I mean, like I said, I'm an idiot. I mean, I guarantee you don't have nothing to do with the sun itself, though. Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Grandpa. But I'm pretty sure that's up.
Yeah, we'll have to ask the
God,
Catholic.
God, Jesus, and then Jesus is the Holy
Maybe not.
Ghost. Right? I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. I'll ask him Thursday.
Want to see the keys?
Unlike you, Barry, my grandpa was a practicing Catholic.
Nope.
Was. Had practicing fucking
No, there
since
they are.
1974 or 75, I think.
Okay. We're okay.
Yeah, he was born Catholic. I mean,
Love this little John Deere seat cover. It's got a little zip part. See if we can get this tarp off this car. This little ball out.
now he's gonna bitch that he can't get the tarp off of it.
I'll probably should have known. The automobile has a gas tank issue, so she's not going to be wanting to run too good today.
Hey Barry, you know if you fix it, you put that Gorilla top y'all have on there, you wouldn't have to be dicking with the tarps, right?
You've got this thing tied down in every form and manner that you could possibly imagine. Make it just as difficult as
And if you didn't, Barry, you'd be bitching about that.
for Dad to get it off, because I didn't put it on. Oh.
I don't know, it ain't a strap on.
Hopefully we can drive away from some of this.
Hey look, there's them Pontiac rallies.
I can't get it all off here, so I have to understand it. I just can't do it. I don't know what he's got. Oh,
That's it. Fuck up what your son's got going on. You fucked up everything else in his life, why not that?
I got it. I'm a pain in the ass. I think I got it. I don't know. I hope we don't tear tarps up.
Now this is the comical
I
part.
don't really feel like listening to him complain. He walked it too.
Genius. Lock your convertible car, Barry. You told him to do that. I mean,
One more to this one. junk. Or I'm not getting connected.
Do you think Barry's the top or bottom?
That's just one thing I don't know.
I mean, when Super Sam comes over, do you think he's the top? Do you think he's the bottom?
Well, it is when you're trying to move far.
You know, Super Sam hasn't been over since all this shit, since he was gonna come with Barry to kick my teeth in, because he didn't advise you.
I'll get to go to it.
It's almost like he's seeing what the fuck you were, Barry. It's like, oh, fuck this.
Bring out another battery, because...
Or you put, or what it is you put him on the fucking spot and he didn't like it, and he's like, okay, fuck this, no more.
Or maybe you don't want to be noticed, right?
Pontiac rallies. They're Buick rallies, but hey. The fuck up? What the fuck is up with your breathing, dude? Barry, I think you're fucked.
That one will fit in there. Let's give it a shot.
Why is the battery dead? You guys got a draw or something in it?
You can hook up. Huh? Like you can.
And spoiler alert, Barry, you shouldn't have to prime a carb every time you go out and start something. Any mechanic worth his fucking salt would know that.
Think about it. Back in 1976, if you know your car
MB.
you have to go out there and prime
Trying to get in there with him.
Get started. No.
I ready to sit on it. Oh, that was even worse.
So you have two cars with a draw, huh? Yeah, Barry, we're already 11 minutes in, man. I'm losing my faith in you. What dumbass shuts the hood without starting it first? Jesus, you dumb. You're a fucking retard. Baby Ruth. Hey, you guys. This man literally puts the battery in the car, don't make sure it starts. He shuts the hood. Then he gets in and tries to start it.
Make 6 volts like the headlight volts. And we ain't got enough.
Damn, this is supposed to be some epic episode.
Nope. No headlights.
No, this is today.
That battery won't even light the headlights.
Barry, looking at it ain't gonna fix your fucking problem. Come on, get in there, master technician. Come on. You can do it!
Back to the drawing board, boys.
Bite his fucking head off!
Chop his fucking head off.
Oh, it's Chop his fucking head off.
Chop his fucking head off!
Rob Schneider's the man.
What movie's that from, folks?
Him and Adam Sandler, well, what's Tommy boy? I can't think of his name. Chris Farley. It's Chris Farley, Adam Sandler, and fucking Rob Schneider, dude. They're my all-time favorite comedians. Yeah, he's dead. He fucking OD'd in there, I think, 90s. But he was a funny dude.
Yeah, you see the strobe.
Barry, anything you fucking work on is gonna be trouble.
What was you trying to start, the Omega?
It's always a struggle.
Huh?
There's Bonneville.
Sure. I'm trying to find you about that. No, it's right there.
Try that toggle switch on, Barry.
This man literally took the key to his lawnmower on his lawnmower with him to try to start the car. What sense does that make? Yeah, somebody's gonna steal like a lawnmower with you outside.
You know that most lawnmower people are universal. That's the most part.
So you know you would shit right now, dude, if you saw a brown Avalanche driving on the road. Because it's not a private drive, Barry. But yeah, every right to drive by. And even stop and wave. Shit. Barry he got all that gamma radiation in his skin. He's gonna be fucking the Hulk. You won't like me when I'm angry. You went to Wyatt fucking Rango Walmart and bought him some big fucking hot gloves.
You're awesome with a kid. He fucking, I don't know what it was, I can't remember what it was. Probably looking for something, then he looks at his mom and he goes, I'm turning green, and he starts checking. He said, I'm turning green. You're not gonna like me when I turn green. Good time, man.
Look at his ribs, you guys. That looks like a healthy dog, don't it?
That's enough. Anyway, you know that.
Hey, Barry, how often do you take them to have their nails trimmed? Huh? Or do you trim them? Oh, now he's going to talk about this trailer, which he drilled the tongue crooked on, fucking went through his hand on it, and how that's the only thing that he has proved anybody wrong on. And nobody ever said that he couldn't do it. Or that he wouldn't do it.
I never said he couldn't do it. I said he wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
You're not going to do anything.
Looks like a tree, Barry.
It sounds like he built some kind of quad truck. I mean, it could be used on a quad or a lawnmower. It could have been used on a quad or a lawnmower before.
Exactly.
I mean,
he's making it sound like he put big ass fucking mud tires underneath of it and some suspension and.
I mean, you're the dumb fuck that put a ball in the back of your four-wheeler instead of a clip. I mean, you make it sound like you designed and built a four-wheeler trailer. No, you took a lawnmower trailer and welded it and put its tongue on it crooked.
And drilled through your fucking hand while you were at it.
No. Angus don't really care about the lawnmower. All they do is care about the guy riding.
Yeah. He's wanting you to feed him. Look at, there's not even no food in this fucking bowl. Are you fucking kidding me?
I know.
That poor dog.
Angus dog.
That's my water, isn't it?
No, you piece of ooh. There's no food in this fucking bowl, Barry. It's hot as fuck outside. And look, there's food or water in this bowl. I was talking about tied you to a fucking tree and not fed you for fucking 6 weeks.
That's over in the battery real heavy and shit like that.
It'd be so fucking funny if you hit a pothole and it fucking slingshot you off that motherfucker.
He has to be on charge, I guess, because it's dead. The other one's just not looking too good.
Hey Barry, pan on your dog. Let's see his ribs.
Dead.
Let's see if we can see his fucking bones poking through. Like, why have them little electric dirt bikes? You're too fucking fat to ride them.
There you go.
They're designed for kids. Why do you have kids' toys?
First day.
I mean, look at them. Those are for little kids.
Boy, he's a big one. Come on, dude.
You're a hoarder.
Let me get my tennis racket.
That's it, Barry. Piss off a bee. You're a smart man. Well, I hope when I grow up I can be half as smart as you. Oh, wait, I already am. I'm smarter than you.
When I was out here before the eclipse actually happened, I mean, it was on its way. That's for sure.
Barry, you turn into a werewolf? Turn into an alien? Did your people come back from their home planet to beam you up, buddy?
I'm so fucking stupid. I went outside right at the time it started. I forgot all about it. I went to walk out the door, and that happened back over yet. I had to text your sister because I'm a retard. I mean, I'm literally stupid. I was like, hey, do I have to stay inside? What's going on? Is it going to hurt my eyes? She's like, no, Dad, you can go on out. I was like,
As long as you don't look at it.
I'll pretend I'm a genius or smart.
I mean, look, he weeded it, folks. There's still weeds. There's literally patches of weeds everywhere. That's not how you weed eat. Here, he takes a shot at Scrapper here.
My friend Scrapper King. Got a very named after you.
How do you get Rural King from Scrapper King?
Scrapper King. He's a YouTuber that we like. He's pretty crazy.
He's a YouTuber that made a killer video.
The only reason you're tolerating what he said is because you're hanging on the
we're going to need some more fuel for this jug.
Because he said the same thing everybody else said. You're never going to get to him. You're full of shit. You're a hoarder. He said he
and by all means, everybody go over to Scrapper Kingdom's channel and check out his Scrapper Metal Kingdom and check out his video on Poverty and Sons Garage. Because that was a killer video. I sometimes even click on that when I'm working. Just listen to it because it's fucking funny shit.
I thought what was the bill we needing? A fuel pump and a gas tank. It's smashed and it's leaking and it's...
Okay, hang on. We gotta pause this because we gotta discuss.
Get a gas tank filled. Or maybe a fuel cell rigged up there. I don't know. I know it would.
Okay. Barry, what in your right fucking mind, what would a fuel pump have to do with your tank being dinged and dented and leaking? They're not even up close, so even if they were leaking, even if your fuel tank was leaking, what made you think that was the fuel pump?
Probably what it is the fuel pumps, the tank's probably got a bunch of junk in it from Barry running out of gas all the time. It just keeps sucking up all that junk in the fuel pump, fucking them up. So... you gotta replace the tank. I mean, you've been using the car for all these years to run around like an idiot. I mean, how did it get dented? I mean, how did it be you?
My question to you, Barry, my question not fuck Barry, my question to everybody here. Would you, option A, do the car justice and put a fuel tank in it? Or option B, put a fuel cell in it, you have to cut out a fucking hole for your fuel lines to run through, and just butcher the car together? Or option C, you're never going to drive the car on the road anyways, so park it like you do the rest and move on to something else.
A logical thing, sell it and put the money into your other projects.
Money's money's no object. With this 64 views, or 55 views. You have literally little kids' electric dirt bikes, and you have no little kids.
I told you that for his day.
Well, probably for his date, but that's how you know he's a hoarder.
Back out there.
If nothing else, that tells you he's a hoarder.
This time we got a fuel jug. Some fuel. Something's gonna run. Hot battery and some fuel. Something's gonna run.
Barry, you shouldn't have to fucking prime the carburetor to make it run. It's not like it's sat for 20 years. Oh, and Barry, I know what you're going to say, well, that way I know it's got fuel. Well, here's a genius idea. Get your 4'2" ass over the fender, pump the throttle, and see if the squirters are squirting gas. Gamma rays.
Superman. All right.
That's what you call us, Barry. Us, Marco, Lipstick, all them. You're
Gonna let the sun go down on you. Yeah. The sun is gone. The eclipse completely. Unity affected the sun. Pretty much like that. I like to do these trolls. These trollers. Yeah, these trollers. I need to.
Trollers. How many of us are there, Barry?
It's not troller.
Trollers, huh, Barry? And gamma radio. The motherfucker said, I feel like Superman with kryptonite. So you feel dead? Because that's Superman's fucking thing that kills him is kryptonite. You fucking idiot. He literally goes, I feel like Superman with kryptonite. And I don't even fucking care for Superman, and I know that. I've never been a superhero type dude. I've always been anti-hero. Deadpool, fucking the Punisher. Anti-heroes. They're not superheroes. He had to lift his leg to get him off the fucking lawnmower. Somebody go get her. He's dancing like a stripper.
I moved it over here the other day. Before rain came in last week, and now I got to move it back. So, kind of a pain.
You just moved last week and you have to come to Albany.
Yeah, we're at 20. It took him 26 minutes to try to move 2 cars.
Fit in there.